Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So this is actually a suspension system that was currently removed off of a unit that's outside here that's getting some frame repairs. During that process, removing the suspension, what we wanted to show the customers is that the leaf spring bushings are already worn and cracking. So as you can see here, you see how they're actually pieces of that's sheared off and broke, and they are cracked throughout. So whether it be rough travels, rough roads, that kind of scenario, or just potholes or California roads are kind of rough, you can see that they've been lubing it, but the guy said that basically all the bushings are already worn out. So they're going to get back with the consumer on this particular unit. But what I wanted to talk about is, if luckily they have the older version of the Dextra kit. The only difference is it's not red. This is the traditional gold style that used to come with it. That's two separate pieces that ride on a big bearing and bushing to compress that. So it's two pieces that actually work like this. And then they have the thicker shackle links, which is fantastic. So if you have the real thin shackle links, those break all the time. Now, if the bushings go bad and you're not replacing the bushings, so if you come in here and this one's not all the way worn out, but it's just going bad. If you were to come in here and we said, hey, your bushings are shot, what happens is the thickness, and I'm trying to get my finger in there, the thickness of that is missing now on either side. So now what you have is a situation of the bolt that goes through there is jarring itself back and forth. When it does do that, you take a risk of it opening up the eye of the spring, expanding it, because now that's bouncing back and forth. You also take a risk, and I'm going to show you out here on a hanger, you take a risk of the leaf spring hanger getting damaged. So if the leaf spring hanger gets damaged, and here's an example of a leaf spring hanger that we just welded a V-brace on. So here's a hanger hole, right? If that hole becomes oblonged, now that bolt, which has splines on it, which is supposed to be stuck and it's not supposed to turn, is now turning, and it's also bouncing up and down. So if that happens, you're going to damage the eye on this, which means this would now have to get completely cut off. So you'd have to take and cut this off with a grinder, clean it all up, the surface, and then re-weld another one to it. Anytime you weld from one surface to another, you take a risk of, compromising the metal as well. So that's another step that has to be done, we'll talk about later. But that's basically it in a nutshell. So if you come in here to our store and we say to you, hey, your leaf spring that goes in here is jumping up and down, that is like me telling you, you have a big ass nail in your tire and it's going to go flat sooner or later, or your tire's worn and cracked. Sooner or later, it's going to go bad. So if you came in and you, for some reason, declined to have us do that repair to it, we're going to have you sign a waiver, because what we don't want to happen is, so you have 6 mounting points. If any one of these 6 bolts was to shear off, or this was to crack out and it was to fall down, or if you didn't have the V-braces and the hanger ripped, because now you have all that extra movement, if that actually rips out or rips the hanger loose or breaks the bolt off, this axle is now going to drop and move. The 2 tires could potentially make contact together, and it could cause you to get in a wreck and hurt yourself or somebody else behind you. So please make sure you're doing your maintenance. Make sure that you're having your units checked out by a shop that knows what they're doing, and we'll go from there. So, all right, well, sorry for rattling on so much, but hopefully this information helps educate you. We do these videos to kind of help bring, heightened sense of what's going on in our industry. So time after time, we get people that come in and go, no, I don't want to do it. And then we come out here and have to explain it to you, or physically show you, or show you other examples of people getting in a wreck, or coaches that flipped over or rolled, or whatever the situation is. And then you go, oh, okay, I guess I better do it. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin again, your RV specialist at California RV Specialist in Lodi. Thanks again for watching.